Hey there, Monster Truck fans! Buckle up because I'm about to take you on a wild ride through the Monster Truck Arena, where the trucks are huge, the action is loud, and everyone's ready for fun. First up, let's meet our awesome racers. Here comes Blue Blaze, rolling in with a streak of flames and a burst of energy. Let's light it up. Charging in next, it's Rocky Roller, all muscle and no nonsense, ready to rumble. Here's Pink Power, sparkling with stardust, sparkle and smash, baby, and stomping onto the scene, it's Crusher, the toughest and meanest. Let's crush some metal. Now, the arena is lighting up, and look at those obstacles. Giant ramps, smashed up cars, and a mud pit that's begging for some action. Today's challenge, I announce, is the Monster Truck Gauntlet. Who's brave enough to take it on? The trucks rev up and it's go time. Blue Blaze blasts down the track, up and over the ramp. Woohoo! That's some air! Rocky Roller barrels through a stack of old cars. Piece of cake. Pink Power spins and twirls through the mud flying everywhere. I'm fabulous and fast. And Crusher? He smashes through a wall of tires like they're made of paper. Out of my way. But wait, it's not over. Blue Blaze and Crusher are neck and neck, engines roaring, wheels flying. Blue Blaze shouts, "You're not beating me today, Crusher!" Crusher growls back, "We'll see about that." Both trucks launch off the final jump, soaring through the air, and land side by side. It's a tie. But you know what? The real winners are all you Monster Truck fans out there, cheering and having the best time ever. Confetti for everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next time for even more Monster Truck action.